How to stake Ethereum easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can stake Ethereum. So let's get into it. Now there are multiple different ways that you can stake Ethereum. You have liquid staking, you also have marketplace or exchange staking, as well as yield farming. So you have multiple different options for staking Ethereum. Now, how can you get started with staking Ethereum? What are the different platforms that you can use? And what is staking exactly? So let's get into all of those questions. Now, first off, there is the simplest form of staking, which is staking on a marketplace or on a exchange. Now, this is super beneficial for beginners. It's easy to do and it's rather simple. And you can just simply go onto your exchange account. So if you're using Binance, Coinbase, or any other marketplace or exchange, if you go into the earn section, you can go into ETH 2.0. This is on Binance, and Ethereum is currently upgrading their network. So as soon as the upgrade is completed, this will just show up in the staking section. But you can see over here, this is Binance staking ETH 2.0, where the APR is up to 5.20%. Now, a lot of people see these figures and they are deceived into thinking that they are going to get a yield of 5.20%. Now, the reason for that is this is dependent on how long you stake your money for. And you also have to consider the fact that your money might be losing its value. So the price of Ethereum might drop, and even if you're getting because the price dropped more than 10%, even if you were getting a 9% yield, that would still mean that you are really not earning any money. So that is something to keep in mind. Now you can see over here that this is a very simple staking platform. It has minimal requirements and you cannot redeem your staking amount until the first phase is over, which may or may not take over 2 years. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are trying to do any kind of staking with any token at all. Second up, you also have on-chain rewards that are going to be given to you if you participate in staking, and you can redeem your Ethereum once the first phase is complete, and you can swap your Binance Ethereum to normal Ethereum on a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, to get started with this kind of staking of Ethereum, just go onto your marketplace, click on Stake Now. And once you click on Stake Now, you can enter the staking amount, you can enter the distribute amount, how you want to distribute it. Then below that, you also have certain things you should keep in mind, such as how your Ethereum will be locked during the first phase, as well as you can only redeem it after the first phase is over, and you can swap your BETH for normal ETH after the first phase is completed. Now you can see you have your stake date entered on the top right over here, and you will see the value date as well as the interest distribution date and your redemption date. So depending on how long you stake your Ethereum for, your yields will vary. So once you have read all of these terms, you will simply click on agree, and then you can begin staking on the Binance platform. Now, how do you get started with staking on other platforms? Well, you have a liquid Ethereum staking platform such as Lido as well. So what is the difference between using Lido and using Binance? So Lido Exchange actually helps you keep your money into your own account. Let's say that you are using Binance to do crypto exchange. That would mean that your money is present in your Binance wallet, and your Binance wallet is not your actual wallet. When your money is in Binance, you're not actually holding your money. Binance is being a beneficiary or holding your money for you. If you do liquid Ethereum staking, you can easily stake Ethereum directly from your crypto wallet. So you can see I have MetaMask over here, so I can store money in my MetaMask account and use it to stake on Lido. And all you have to do is go onto Lido Ethereum staking. You can click on Stake Ethereum. And once you click on Stake Ethereum, you can simply connect your wallet. So you can connect any wallet that you have. There are multiple different options. And once you have entered or connected your wallet, we're going to switch to a supported network. I currently am on a different network. So now I have gone on the Ethereum mainnet and now I can stake Ethereum, and you can see the Lido APR is around the same as Binance as well. And then you have the amount that you want to stake, and below that you have your exchange rate, you have transactional costs, so you are going to be paying for gas fees, you could say, in one way, and these are very low on Lido. That is one of the benefits of using Lido. Now, other than that, you also have your statistics. So this is the 5.3% is the annual percentage rate. So this is the APR for people that have been holding their Ethereum in the staking for over a year. Then you have total staked amount, and then the stakers and the staked ETH market cap. Now, this is how you can exchange while keeping your money in your own wallet. And you also have other exchange platforms such as 1inch, where you can use decentralized finance to stake Ethereum as well. So you can see over here, you can enter however many tokens for 1inch you want, and then you can go on ahead, connect your wallet, connect the Ethereum network, and go on ahead and accept their terms of service. So just connect your wallet over here like this, click on connect, and once your wallet has been connected, you can enter the amount you want to stake. Now, the benefit of using these decentralized exchanges is the fact that you can choose to withdraw your money or unstake your amount and get a withdrawal in a quicker time. With Binance, you will be ending up holding your money for a longer period of time within their staking. However, Binance is upgrading, to ETH 2.0. And once ETH 2.0 is upgraded, you will have a lot more flexibility with your money on staking on Binance as well. Now, there is another thing that you can do to stake Ethereum, which is yield farming. Now, yield farming also introduces risk into your earnings. So simply go onto Binance, go into the earn section on Binance, and just go into staking. So you can see that you have multiple different staking options other than Ethereum. You have DeFi staking as well. However, you can see the DeFi staking has Ethereum, and you can choose a flexible lock or a specific amount of days that you can lock your Ethereum for, and you can see the estimated APR. However, this does have some risks, and depending on the time that you are going to be locking your money for, you might be able to, lose the value of your money as well. Then if you go into liquidity farming, so you can see you have your liquidity, and if you provide liquidity, so liquidity providing basically means that you provide money to the exchange, and the exchange usually needs money, they need liquid earnings, and when you are providing those earnings, you will be getting money in the long run. So you can choose to do that as well. This could be called another form of staking. Then you have yield farming. So if you go onto the farming section on Binance Earn, you have liquidity farming, you have swap farming, and you have other types of farming as well. So if you go into liquidity farming, you will be introducing risk, and whenever you are introducing risk, it means that you will be able to get the losses as well. So for beginners, I don't recommend using liquidity farming to go on ahead and stake their Ethereum. However, if you find that you want to earn the maximum amount of money in the shortest amount of time, then liquidity yield farming is going to be the best option for you. So you can see you have multiple different ETH combos that you can stake. So add ETH, and then let's say you want to add 9 ETH over here, and then they will give you the summary of the current pool size. And then they will give you the summary of the current pool size, the price, fees, and slippage and total yield that you can get. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to stake your Ethereum on these networks as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.